I was tired of my money disappearing every month, so I tried the most famous budget rule for 30 days straight. This is what actually happened and what my bank account looks like now. First, what is it? It's stupid simple. You split your after tax income into three buckets. Needs keep you alive, wants keep you sane, savings buys your future freedom. Here's my real numbers. My after tax income is $3,200 a month. 50% needs equals $1,600. List rent $1,000. Groceries $300. Utilities divided by phone $300. 30% wants equals $960. Coffee, dates, Netflix, random Amazon stuff. 20% savings equals $640. $300 to emergency fund. $340 to credit card debt. Seeing it like this was scary. I was definitely spending over 30% on wants. My friends want to go to brunch, but my wants bucket is already low. Do I say no? I decided yes, and I cooked an amazing breakfast at home instead. I found a need that was actually a want, my $120 month premium cable package. Downgraded to basic. Boom, $80 back to my savings bucket. Got a side hustle gig. Extra $200. The rule says it goes straight to my 20% savings bucket. Future me is stoked. Alright, the moment of truth. Did it actually work? Checking $122. Savings $500. Credit card debt $2,000. Checking $400. Buffer. Savings $1,540 times plus $1,040 asterisk. Credit card debt $1,660 times negative $340. I saved over $1,000 in 1 month. My debt went down and I didn't feel deprived. I felt in control. Here's the real tea. The 503020 rule isn't perfect. If your rent is 60% of your income, it won't fit. Adjust it. Make it 602515. The point is intentionality. Your turn. Grab your last paycheck. Do the 503020 split in 5 minutes and tell me in the comments which bucket is your hardest. If this helped, smash that like button and follow for more real money experiments.